Hi everyone, and welcome to Maths Revision with Jov. Today we'll be solving this problem. It says this rectangular frame is made from 5 straight pieces of wood. The wood weighs 2.5 kilograms per metre. Work out the total weight of the frame. And the frame is here. It's this rectangle of length 4 metres by 3 metres, and we also have a diagonal. To solve this problem, the first thing we want to do is to find the total length of wood in the frame. And we can do that simply by looking at it and then performing a trick where we will use the Pythagorean Theorem. The first thing we want to do is we want to say, okay, there's 4 metres here, 4 metres here, 3 metres here and 3 metres here. So we know that the length of the frame must be 4, oh, my pen's gone, there you go. 4 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3. We have one length to find, and that is this diagonal here. We can do so by the Pythagorean Theorem, so we can just add on one more length. Now, we know that the length of the hypotenuse squared is the sum of the other two sides squared. So we can say that this length L is such that this length L is such that L squared equals 4 squared plus 3 squared. We can easily solve for L. We can say that L squared is just 4 squared plus 3 squared, so that's 16 plus 9, which is 25, which means L is just the square root of 25 since L squared is 25, which is 5. Note that it cannot be minus 5 because we're talking about lengths here, and lengths being negative just doesn't make a lot of sense in this context. So now we have this L, so we can go ahead and replace that with 5. As you can see, I've rubbed it out because now we know that L equals 5. So I can rub out this L and replace it with 5. And now this is equal to 4, 8, 11, 14, 19. Just like that. So now we have the total length of the frame. We also know that the wood weighs 2.5 kilograms per metre. So that means the total weight divided by the total length, I'll call capital L, is equal to 2.5. Okay? We know that the length is 19, so we can say W divided by 19 equals 2.5. Now we can just rearrange for the total weight, which is W equals, so when I multiply both sides by 19, we've got 2.5 times 19, which I believe is 47.5. Now this weight, I know it's mass, but we'll call it weight for the sake of it. We get it is in kilograms. And there we go. I hope that helps.